The fascinating history of robots, from invention to Islamic contributions. Robots, they're everywhere, helping in factories, hospitals, and even at homes. But do you know who invented robots and how the Islamic civilization contributed to this incredible journey? Let's explore the fascinating history of robots together. Robots are machines designed to perform tasks, often imitating human actions. They can be as simple as an automatic vacuum cleaner or as complex as a robot performing surgery. But where did all it begin? The concept of robots has an ancient roots. The word robot itself comes from the Czech, meaning forced labor, introduced in 1921 by Karel Čapek in his play R.U.R. But mechanical devices that work like robots existed much earlier. In fact, the earliest pioneer of robotics was the Islamic inventor Al-Jazari, who lived in the 12th century. Al-Jazari, known as the father of robotics, lived in the Islamic Golden Age. He created remarkable mechanical devices described in his book, The Book of Knowledge of Ingenious Mechanical Devices. Here are a few highlights of his work. The elephant clock, a water-powered clock with moving figures, demonstrating creativity and engineering. Automatic hand washing device, a device that powered water for washing hands, an early example of automation. Al-Jazari created machines with picks and slots, a precursor to modern programming. Al-Jazari's work inspired inventors in Europe and beyond, showing how the Islamic civilization significantly advanced in robotics and engineering. Fast forward today, and robots are a part of our daily lives, from AI-powered robots to industrial machines. The journey that began centuries ago continues to evolve. The story of robots isn't just about machines, it's about human creativity and innovation, and we owe a big thanks to pioneers like Al-Jazari and others who paved the way. So, the next time you see a robot, remember that this incredible history. What's your favorite type of robot? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. The Path to Success for more amazing stories. See you in next video.